Should your fabric have localized stains, a range of methods exist to ensure it's properly cleaned. Without compromising its integrity, it is preferable when managing stains to treat the fabric when it is off its frame, ensuring the best possible outcome. It's fundamental to handle fabric graphics in environments that are both clean and dry, and it is equally important to ensure your hands are clean prior to handling. For dry stains, such as loose soil or pencil marks, begin the cleaning process with masking tape. By gently yet firmly pressing a strip of the tape against the fabric, one can effectively lift off the dirt particles. It is crucial to note the exclusive use of the masking tape for this method, as alternative tapes could adhere aggressively to the fabric, potentially causing damage. For more persistent stains, a dry magic eraser can be applied with a delicate dabbing or gliding motion over the fabric to remove the stain. Use both masking tape and/or magic eraser for addressing dry, superficial dirt. The goal should always be to extract as much of the stain as possible without pushing the stain deeper into the fabric. For those stains which prove resistant to dry cleaning methods, the introduction of water or a suitable liquid cleaner might be necessary. Damp cloth wipes are an invaluable tool for these types of stains. It is recommended to utilize shot wipes that lack bleach. Position a clean, dry cloth behind the affected area, which will act as a barrier during the stain treatment. The stain should be gently blotted with the intent of pushing the stain towards the back while simultaneously using a dry cloth for absorption. Care should be exercised during this process to ensure the wet area is as small as possible. For pencils or ink stains, hand sanitizer has proven to be an effective solution. It is important to note that the efficacy of cleaning methods varies depending on the type of fabric being used. For the power stretch fabric, you can use the tape, magic eraser, wipe, and Grandma's Secret spot remover techniques. The display poly fabric, being slightly more delicate than the power stretch, still permits the use of all primary cleaning strategies. The backlit intensity fabric is thicker than its counterparts, but unfortunately it can be damaged by the magic eraser method. It is advisable to explore alternate cleaning techniques for this fabric. On occasion, this fabric might display faint ink traces, residues from the printing process, which can be effectively cleaned using hand sanitizer. It is worth highlighting that vinyl, much like the backlit intensity fabric, is susceptible to damage when treated with magic eraser. Nevertheless, most of the conventional cleaning methods may be used. When using Grandma's Secret spot remover for treating vinyl, it's recommended to first put it on a cloth before dabbing it gently onto the vinyl. Never put Grandma's Secret spot remover directly onto the vinyl, as it will damage the material and graphic. The packaging requirements of fabrics can be different based on the material they are made from. For flat max packaging, the protocol involves gently rolling the vinyl in a semi-tight fashion starting from the bottom and securing it with tape upon completion. For other vinyl products, it's recommended to place the graphic into a protective plastic sleeve, then loosely roll it, ensuring the graphic print faces outward to prevent undesirable bending. When preparing fabric for packaging, it is essential to fold it with the graphic facing inward to safeguard the ink. Carefully place the folded fabric into a plastic bag, ensuring a secure seal.